Hey guys, thanks for checking out my video. If you would, drop me a comment on what you think about it. If there's anything else you'd like to see, let me know and I'll try to get them included in the videos. Thank you. Appreciate you guys looking to check out my video here. This is a marina job we're getting ready to get started on. It's an 18-slip marina out here in Perdido Key. There's a couple old docks here. There's already one over here that we just tore out today. Working through this rain and all that. It's been pretty bad out here and windy and rainy. Now we got this one here to take out also. We've already got the handrails off of that. We're going to get that off. Once we get that pulled out, then we've already got our batter poles, way out there. You see them? That's 268 feet out there in the water. So we got that out there. We're going to go ahead and get started on putting the poles in. We're going back with 8-inch pilings, which is great. And there's going to be at least 10-foot penetration on these. Got some mats over, swamp mats over. Building a little bridge across this ditch here because there's no access to this job site at all. And if we didn't do that, we'd have a long push all the way. I can't even see the bridge now. There's a boat ramp over there on Lillian. We'd be wasting 3-4 hours of our day just to get material. So this is really going to expedite, speed up time over here using these things. Too hot out here today, getting a little bit of a swim break. Come on, Chief. You'll be able to come up them rocks. Come on, Gat. You left that bottle out there. How you gonna get up, Chief? Go get that bottle. Go get it, Chief. It's out there. Go get it. Gatlin left it. See it? Go get it, Chief. Good boy. You're so smart. Good boy, Chief. Don't try to get it now, Gatlin. You left it. That's right. Good boy, Chief. Guys are making some really good progress out here. Got a bunch of poles lined up ready to go. Got all the poles worked all the way into the beach on one side, getting ready to work back out, and those are up for handrail according to DEP, so no boat mooring right there. And then the rest of the poles are out there for the slips. Of course, the pelicans are enjoying their new home out there, whitewashing our poles. Hey guys, check this production out on this job here now. Ethan, Daryl, and Jacob has done a really good job on this project here. You can see you got all the poles set, like 280 something feet out, I believe it is. Got it framed up, partially framed up, some of the decking put down. Looking really good. Let's check it out a little bit closer. Grab a couple more forward. We got the majority of the framing out there. You see you got the outside stringer going up. You see the inside stringer going up. We're doing this a picture style frame dock. I looked at that and it actually makes the docks a lot stronger with the decking recessed inside of the framing. So anything hitting the side, it's got the strength of the decking holding it in place. We use 2x10 cross ties. You see the snap deck looks really good going all the way back. Locks together real well. And it's Gatlin approved. Gatlin, you like it, buddy? You ready to go swimming? And Chief? Gatlin, you jump in. Come on, Chief. Let's go. Come on, Chief. Good boy, Gatlin. You gonna go swimming? Good boy, Gat. Oh, there goes Chief. Come on, Chief. Good boy. Don't it feel a lot better being in that water? Huh? Smile.
How you do?
How you? Hey guys, as you can tell, we got some really good production out here. The guys are doing an absolutely wonderful job. Got the dock in, most of the decking down and framing up. Now we've got started with the T-dock. We're out on the very end. You can see the barge headed back out to work on the other side. They're gonna work on trying to get 3 catwalks in a day, so that'll be great. Got Chief and Gatlin with me. Gatlin keeps looking back. Am I gonna throw a stick? You wanna go get in the water, Gatlin? Huh? Look who we got back out here. Johnny on the spot. What's up, brother? You doing all right?
Yes, sir.
Good deal. Yep.
Come off. All right, get back on.
Gatlin, what are you doing? Swimming around? Chief, go get him.
Tiniest bit off string. Tiniest bit off string.
Well, I am actually starting to feel not needed. These guys set 18 poles yesterday. Really good. These are all 25 footers. They're all driven in. The key with these is it takes, every single catwalk you do, you got to reset up. You got to set batter poles, you got to run strings, you got to check square, you got to mark them out. So it's not just setting poles on the line. You got to keep setting up to make sure they're right, and then you got to make sure they're right from the poles that's going across it. So they got several more catwalks to do over here. We'll probably knock those out today. They got the catwalk or the end platform framed up yesterday. Getting ready to start putting the girders on that and the bolts. Then we'll get that decked out. Then we'll probably fall right behind, start doing all these catwalks. Catwalk's going to be a section level with the pier out. Then it's going to step down 7.5 inches for easy boat access. And then the poles are positioned where we can actually install a lift in between the poles without the cradle interfering with the poles that are installed on the walkways, which will be really nice. All right, so what are we going for today? This whole side?
We don't have the poles in stock for that, so we'll be setting mooring poles.
Oh, okay, well, that's good.
Yeah.
Are we? Production update. Got several of the catwalks done on the other side now. A lot of the frame done. Actually started framing for the catwalks on the left-hand side. You can see here, got the scaffolding up. Things are progressing very well over here. Wow, good production out here. They got every single one of the Marina piling set, with the exception of a couple mooring poles on this side here for slips. Got it all framed up, all decked out, all bolted. Swing, get out here so get some good pictures of the T-dock out here. Thing looks really good and straight. Get you a good shot looking all the way back, nice and straight. So over here. And come back and trim all the poles off. All the pilings will be capped with a white cone cap, and then the mooring poles in the middle will end up with a little line hanger on too. And we're working a deal with them now, hopefully with association, that we can supply all the lifts out here and have them all looking consistent. Because if you don't, you come in with all these different brand lifts and install different heights, different places in the slip, it just looks terrible. It makes it look pretty junky, in my opinion. I like it all to look consistent and done properly. So hopefully we get that deal worked out. We'll get a good price on the lifts to try to land that. Got Gatlin with me out here. Did you drop your ball in the water, Gatlin? Huh? Where's your ball? Jacob, say hi to your fans.
What's going on, y'all?
What's going on, bro?
Yes, sir.
Good to see you, man. Good to see you. You too. You too or you too? Trying to get more views. There you go. Yeah, 8 inches or whatever.
Yeah, are we doing a step or a ramp?
No, like to get onto
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
Onto the ground, yeah.
Yeah.
Got a little tropical storm Bertha out there stirring up right now. Got the water all kicked up pretty good. Come on, guys. Let's go. Come on, get Chief. There you go. Good update on this project here. We got the boardwalk all the way up on the land, finishing up the decking now. I got most of the piling caps on. And got the fire suppression guys coming in to run the system this week, and hopefully the irrigation, or not the irrigation, but the plumbing is going to be ran also out here this week, and we're working on electrical right now. Getting the rest of the trash loaded up on the dump trailer right now, get it hauled out. We hope to have the good part of this project, or actually all this project with the exception of utilities, completed by Wednesday, which is 2 days away. It goes from 4 foot right here from the graded decking to wear decking. Spans out to 6 foot wide right here. So what's wrong with this picture here?
Now, I do have the lighter in.
There you go. This thing just looks beautiful. Got all the line hangers installed also. All 3 center mooring pilings has double line hangers for the boat slips on either side. All installed with stainless steel hardware, treated lumber hooks or handles. I think I'm gonna go ahead and turn around, start walking back. We got a big old rain cloud coming in right there. I got rained on pretty good yesterday. Guys are next door now, tearing out the dock next door, replacing some of the pilings. It's usually what happens when you get to a job site. Everybody around you gives you the, while you're here, can you do this? Well, we've got a long list of people behind this one here, but sometimes we try to squeeze them in there and knock it out while we're out here because we're so far away from Pensacola. Well, we're in Pensacola, but up in the upper end of Bayou, Perdido Bay, which is a very long push. Thank you guys for checking out the videos. If you would, please drop me a comment, give me a like, and subscribe if you don't mind. We got plenty more videos coming up. I still got some more in the archives here that I haven't put together yet, but I'm working on them. We're out here in Inner Ready Point now, still working on some Marina. Appreciate you guys checking it out. Please don't just watch it, like it, comment it. That helps the algorithms. New toy Mama got it for you. Ranger, you like the new toy? It's got a little squeaky in it too. That's all yours. Or get it for Chief does. Here you go. Come on, buddy. Good boy, Gat. Good boy, Gatlin. Chief, what are you gonna do? He's swimming. Good boy, Gatlin. Go get him, Chief. Good boy, Gatlin. You're a swimmer.